Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. Welcome to Sabrina Budgets. So this video here is an unboxing. I had purchased this a little while back and it was on sale and I was like, ooh, I have to get it. I don't know if it was undated or dated, but we're gonna open it together. I'm thinking that it's undated because if it is, I might not use it this year. I might use it for 2025. So the reason why I did get it, guys, and you guys are gonna see, because it's in my favorite color. My favorite color. So it came in a box, in a, postal box, but I did take it out. A budget planner from Christina Loves Planning. Oh my. When I saw this planner, I was like, yes, I need to get it. And it was on sale. Yes, I needed it. Not that I needed it, I wanted it, but the color is because I need it, right? So it's budgeting, planning, and organizing. Today I will just living my best life. Control your spending, happiness. Thank you for your support. And it just says Happy Meal has arrived. Look, as you can see, I haven't even opened it. It looks so pretty. Now let's get into it. Let's get into it. Oh, I know you guys see it. Oh, and it's, oh my. At this planner. I'm going to just move the box over. And it has black coral, like I'm not going to say metallic, but it's black coral. Oh, look at this. And the sizing is so cute. All right. Let's open it up. Oh, it makes you not even want to use it. Oh, it says budget planner. I love it. It has the safety for your book. I like that because, sometimes you place it somewhere and it gets messed up over here. But look, okay, I can't get enough. I just can't get enough. Can't. Oh, I love this. It says Christina Loves Planning. Can you guys see that? Yeah. Okay, let's get into it. Let's get into it. It's a Lenin A5 Coral Planner. That's what this is. I don't even want to touch it. Oh my, look how beautiful this is. This is so beautiful. All right. It says contact page. I like this. It says yearly. And then it says goals. Yes, I think I'm going to be using this for 2025. I'm definitely am. I know it's early in the game to predict for 2025, but yeah, I'm going to be using this planner for 2025. And then I might just purchase some more stuff from her so I can have like a nice set so I could be prepared for 2025. But I like this bill tracker. And then it has like a blank paper here. Maybe you could do a vision board for yourself, or maybe, I don't know, draw some stuff. Notes that you can place here. And then they undated, so I might do some letters. I might do January, February, March, but I might do the letters. Then it's blank paper here. Yes, it's undated. Awesome. This is a monthly overview, and you have the notes on the side. And then you have your bill tracker again, and your monthly overview in a smaller. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Important dates. I like that. I really, and the paper is really good. Expense tracker, an extended expense tracker. It says sinking funds tracker here, and you have it on both sides, which I like that, because in them I could keep track of my sinking funds. Right now I don't keep track of my sinking funds. Savings tracker, I like that. Credit card tracker. Hey, listen, probably 2025 I won't have no credit cards, but I might still be using one credit card, you know, just to make my purchases for my transportation and maybe food, because that's already going to be in my envelopes. So, because I'm a control myself. I am. So, debt tracker. I'm hoping and praying that it would just be student loans. Okay. I'm speaking it out there. You have paycheck tracker. So you have your income here. You have variable, fixed, debt, and sinking funds. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, which is awesome. And then you have your task list. Oh, I like this. I really do like this. I have this on my notes, which I might still write them here, but also put them in my notes section in my phone. Savings challenge. Ooh, I could probably do this when 2025 come. I could probably do this for my my loans. I like that. Habit tracker. Yes, I like that. And then you have notes. You have 1, 2, 3, 4. Nice. And I believe it just continues, and each and every one is the same. Look at the colors. The colors is beautiful. I haven't been a pink girl, but lately I've been that girl, and like and not in a really like hot pink, but like, you know, like a soft pink. And this is, yes, I like this. I really do like this. And it has like a little pocket here. There we go. So you have a little pocket here, which is really cute. Yeah, guys. This is cute. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use this for 2025. Then I'm gonna use this planner, and I'm just going to get the I might do this probably in the summer. So I'm just gonna put the J, the F, the M, the A, like that. So January, February, March, April, I do it by letters. So that is going to be my planner for 2025. Yes. Oh my God, I really do like this. The color is beautiful. Now I just got to pay attention because the cat hair, I'm already realizing that it's everywhere. So, and then I'm gonna look. This is my look. That's gonna look so beautiful. And then once I start getting into I'm gonna start saving to get some envelopes and some and then 2025 I'll start that in the summer, but I want to save for it, but I need to get out of that Chase credit card. So with that being said, guys, I hope that you enjoyed this unboxing, and if you guys did, don't forget to hit that heart so you could hit that like button, that thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you won't miss another video when I post. So until next time, guys, I see you in my next video.